Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker's channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. I borrowed this billboard, Japanese cup and ball game. Well, I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type of image. I got so much grains. I don't know. Well, I have two images, this and this, to make something interesting, hopefully impressive image to make it. Well, let's get started. Now, I'm gonna turn on this pencil drawing type image, then let me change blend mode, group or linear burn, color burn. Overlay, soft, hard mix. Well, let's try this. Well, this is kind of interesting. Well, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna make a group, then duplicate this group. Now I'm gonna flatten to get this image fixed already. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then change the blend mode to multiply, so we get pretty dark image. Let's see, still, well, this is a one group, just leave it group as a group. Okay, turn off this group image. Then I just think about this pencil drawing type. Let's see, we see so much grains on this pencil drawing type image. So I want to try make duplicate, then one of them just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna smudge to get out of this grains and stuff. Let's see how much I can get out of this. Use evolve. I usually use this. Well, just smudge on this layer. Just leave the outlines. Take all the other outside of that image. And also, let's see, inside. Inside the scratch and noise, just smudge to take it out. Leave some of them. Okay, now I'm going to take out about background. Okay, that's about it. We see now some colors here. Okay, I just smudged on this layer and I just want to compare with this. Let's see. This is luminosity 50 or something. Oh, 60. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this one off. Then smooth surface to use this image, not this one. This one has some noise on it. So I'm going to make another group, base image with this less noise image. To make group, this is new group, is that right? Yeah. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer, then flatten this layer. Now I fixed this image. This is a new one. We'll bring into this group. Then let's see. Compared to this, just has noise and also colors a little bit more interesting, I think. Now I'm going to use this one outside of the group, and I don't think I'm going to use this image, and I changed the blend mode to get darker image. No, so I'm going to delete this group. Okay, I got this new image, and this is just Q4. Well, put this one into this group. Okay, this is a base image, and also I got this is a base. I'll change it to normal, bring back to normal, and 100% pencil drawing type. And also this one is I smudged to smooth out some. I just turn it off and off to keep it. This is a group, base group. Okay, I got this image now. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer, then change blend mode to multiply to get this much dark image. Let's see, these two. Okay, I'm going to make group, do it again, duplicate this image, then flatten this image. Now I got the double colored opacity is pretty thick. Last image here. Now I'm gonna take, okay, inside this I have this image here, right? So I'm gonna duplicate, then bring this one up to out of the group. Now I'm gonna turn the group off. Then I'm gonna work on these two images. One is this dark image, the other one is the base image. Okay, now turn on this image, then I'm going to change blend mode to get something different. I don't know, hopefully it's kind of interesting image. Much contrast, huh? Wow, this is, I kind of like this here. Pretty strong image. Linear light has more contrast. Tone is max. Go down to about 50% to get more contrast on color. Let's see, leave these two like this. Then I'm gonna take pencil drawing type image. This one is just has noise in it. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then bring this one up, then turn it off, this group. Now I'm going to change this layer mode. Well, before that I'm going to, let's see, we have this image contrast, then I'm going to add this pencil drawing type. Now I'm going to change this blend mode. Let's see, darken. Well, leave it toned down. Color burn, more contrast. Overlay, we see some light. Well, about this is almost overlay. It's gonna go some illustration image. Now think about this. This is pencil drawing type, and just leave it. Okay, then I have this image. This is linear light, and this is normal 60%. Okay, now I'm gonna smudge this image, base image. We have kept this base image here, so I don't worry about this. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, the other one. Then I have 60% opacity now. Go up to 100 max. Then I'm gonna smudge evolve. Let's see what kind of image it's gonna be. I'm gonna make something illustration type image. Okay, interesting bokeh image. I want to add some colors on background to get this separation of this from background dog image. So, well, I'm going to add layer to paint it. this side too. Need to be separation from background. This is nice, but I still need more clear back separation. Okay, now I'm gonna touch up some. Now I'm gonna add layer to make it a little bit lighter image, huh? Drawing to evolve. Same texture, a little bit orange-ish. Okay, just like key light, huh? Alright. Okay, that's smudged this image. I add some color, then I'm going to now base image, turn it off to 60%, then this light image is just 100%, that's fine. Then turn it on these layers. Now when I see some interesting illustration type image, well, about this is too much yellowish, huh? Well, let me see, this one is overlay, normal is okay, this is overlay, let's see, about 50%. Then this image, linear light, this one I made by smudged image, right? That's why it has this kind of texture, huh? Well, bring this one, let's see, when it's normal, yeah, I need to touch up this dark image, or maybe tone down some. Let's see, still has this greens, so what if this is pretty interesting. Subtract, well, some kind of drawing. Well, let's see, I want to keep this image, duplicate, go bring this one up, then just turn it off. Now I'm gonna go back to this, change to, this is interesting too. Well, just leave it normal. Then this is color burn, 50%. Now I saw this image, this was subtract max. This is pretty interesting. Oh no, I did it again. I forgot to record this. This is the result of the image. I got so many layers. Well, let's see. I made so many layers to get this image, but I forgot to record. Well, let's see. Why have video? Time lapse. Okay, export time-lapse video, full length. Wow. Well, I add key light and changing normal blend mode so many times. And around here, I got this image, very interesting color. Then I smudged, as I said, the key light, add. Then I got this last image. Well, pretty much contrast. Well, then this is the result. Now this is the original image, base image. Then I got the result of this. This is the result image. I made this image. I like the color and add linear light max on smudged image to get this contrast, and also add key light, smudged key light image. This is the final result. The base was this to this. Yeah. Well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to get something, well, interesting image for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.